Different legs.
Kangaroo.
Different shells. Different shells. Different legs.
Wantara, I'm Daisy. Today I'm going to teach you the Guugu Yimithirr word for standing up and sitting down. We are going to remember these words. Yuli, stand up. Dagaaya, sit down. Stand up. Stand up as I say the Guugu Yimithirr word, Yuli. Yuli is stand up. Say Yuli.
Again.
Say Yuli.
One more time.
Say Yuli. Tell the teacher to stand up. Sit down. Sit down as I say the Guugu Yimithirr word, Dagaaya. Dagaaya is sit down. Say Dagaaya.
Again.
Say Dagaaya.
One more time.
Say Dagaaya. Tell your partner to sit down. Do the action as I say the word. Yuli, stand up. Dagaaya, sit down. And this is the end of the lesson. So it's time to say goodbye. Namagara.